In this video we're going to take a look at Melon. What is Melon? It's a streaming software. If you ask me, this is a great way for people that are doing podcasts and you don't have to download anything for it. This is just all on your web browser. My name is Tree and I make stream support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Just to be clear with you guys, this is a sponsored video, but all the opinions in the video will be my own. Okay, let's take a look at it then. This is the website, melonamp.com. I'll leave it down below in the description as well if you guys want to check it out. Immediately on the website we will see web-based live streaming studio. This means that we don't have to install anything for it and we can just stream from the web browser. It says broadcasting to Facebook, YouTube and Twitch, just directly from your browser basically. 5 clicks and you'll be live, invite, cast, customize your broadcast and stream up to 4 platforms at the same time. That might be a little bit confusing because it said Facebook, YouTube and Twitch, but I think they also mean Periscope, which is like for Twitter. Okay, so let's take a look at the pricing because there is a paid plan. You've got the free version, the basic one, and you've got the pro version, which is the paid plan. To test things out, I would always recommend trying it for free first and then just, you know, mess around with it a little bit. And if you like it, then go for the pro plan. So you can see for yourself if you like it. Obviously, the free version has a lot of limitations because, you know, that's free. The pro plan isn't. So yeah, they can't give you everything that the pro plan has for free. So just try and think what you want with this program. What do you want out of it? And just try and see which things you need. So with the basic plan, you can stream up to 4 hours. You can invite 1 guest. And there will be like this brand icon on top of your stream. And you will have like limited customization options. You can, for example, not add a custom background. For the pro plan, you can actually stream for an unlimited amount of time, up to 6 guests, which is quite a lot. Unlimited brand customization, so you can add your custom things, you can customize literally everything. There will not be a watermark, Full HD 1080p. VIP support, which is basically, they will help you with everything as fast as they can. Custom Rtmp, I have no clue what it is. I don't know. I have no clue. I'm not gonna act like I know what that is. Multistreaming, that's just the multiple platforms at the same time. So that's not part of the basic plan, but that is part of the pro plan. And then we have Disconnection Protection. That is, if you disconnect because your internet fell out for like a couple of seconds, it will reconnect right after it if you have your internet back. So right now there's actually a 40% discount going on. So what we can do is to make it even more affordable. We can just set this on annual, and if you pay annual, it's only $12.50 a month instead of like, what was it, $15 a month. So you can change this and you will pay a little less. So if you want to go for the pro plan, I recommend you set it on annual, just, you know, to save some bucks. If you want to sign up, guys, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Even if you sign up for the free version, it would be amazing if you guys could use my link. Also, if you guys decide to sign up for the pro plan, even though you tried out the basic plan first, it would be nice to just, you know, go to the link again. I mean, you will be supporting the channel, okay? Let's take a look at what you guys actually came for. Is what is it and how does it work? Try Melon free. I'm gonna log in with my Twitch because, you know, that's my main platform. Boom, it recognized my Twitch immediately, and now it asks me which camera and microphone I want to use. So allow mic a webcam. It's gonna be, let's do the C920 and then the Wave 3, yes. Allow that. It's gonna like give me a sort of a tutorial, but I kind of know how it works, so I'm just gonna skip through this. There we go. Let's see if my webcam wants to load in. I didn't know for sure because I have my OBS open and, you know, sometimes it doesn't want to work together using one camera for 2 sources. So we see our camera right here and we can click on it and we will be showing it on stream. It's like right up there. And we can hide it. So it's like very easy to hide and show your webcam. If you invite guests, they will also appear in here like we are right now with the webcam. I don't know which camera to look at now, okay? It's confusing. But yeah, so you can show them as well like this. If you want to invite a guest, you can click here and you copy a link. You can send them the link and they will be able to join like that, and they will just show up here if they connect their webcam and their microphone to their browser. Here in the bottom right, you see like this thing with hi. This is not your chat, this is just a chat window with the people that made Melon, which by the way are the people from Streamlabs. Yeah, let's show ourselves on stream right now. Hey, that's us. I see I left my bag on the bed. It's where I put my camera in normally. We can mute our mic here, so now my mic is muted. We can stop the video, start the video, but you can also just hide it. So I would recommend you just hide it, that's probably better. We can share our screen. So screen 1, for example. Now we share our screen. This is gonna be streamception. Show on stream. This is the stream. Basically our window capture that we see here. If you don't like the layout, you can change them around here. Be like super small and instead of like being big. What you can also do is just hide it and you're back full screen again, or hide yourself and only show the screen, which is kind of screenception now because it's on the same screen. And then we have show chat here, which actually shows your chat. Right now we're not streaming, so we don't see the Twitch chat or YouTube chat or the Facebook gaming chat, but we will if you will be streaming. Then you see this kind of text everywhere. Melon here, we got live with Melon here, and we got the scrolling text. We can customize this, no worries. If you have the free plan, you cannot remove that though. So let's click on the edit. We can stream in 1080p if we tick this on. Otherwise it will be 720p if you don't tick this on. My name is Tree, that will be displayed here. That's the name that you see me talk with. Participants' names are on, so if somebody joins now, their name will be like mine, just next to their name. We can have that logo be off, we can have the banner be off, we can have the ticker be off. We can also just customize them. So let's say we want the logo on, we want our own logo to be here. There we go. Boom! That's our logo. That's my logo there, up in the top now. We could just hide it again if we want to. Then we have the banner. This is just basically some kind of text that appears next to you. For example, if you're doing a podcast, you can have like the name of your podcast. So let's say our podcast is Stream Smarter Not Harder, then we name it at that. Stream Smarter Not Harder. Boom, and now that's like the name of the stream or of the podcast. If you don't like that, again, you can just hide it. You can also color it differently. You can also put a code in here instead of like actually picking the color, but let's pick some color like this. You can change the font color as well, so you can also have this be black. Or I just found out that my actual camera stopped working. I don't know how long I've been recording for with the camera off, but at least you guys have been seeing me through the webcam. Okay, I got the camera back on, right? So yeah, you can change the font color here as well. And the same with the ticker, so we got that thing underneath. We can put some message in, like, don't forget to vote or something. Don't forget to vote on Tree. And then, you know, you can say something like that, or questions are welcome in chat. Chat. You can even like do more, and then don't forget to follow. You can find our podcasts on anchor.com/tree. Like, and now we have multiple messages in here. Don't forget to vote Tree. Questions are welcome in chat. Don't forget to follow. You can find our podcast on anchor.tv/tree. Like, you can see what I mean, right? You can put a lot of messages in here that are just rotating through right now. And again, you can customize everything about this, so we can also make that. We can make that the same kind of rat by just copying this one. So, let's see, we copy this code, and then close this back up, and then on the ticker we paste it, and now it's the same color. So if you want the consistency, you can just copy and paste that. And then we have the background. Right now you don't see the background because we fill up the whole screen. But we can set a background, for example, this one, and if I hide myself, you see the background, and then we can change the background. Also, if you have like both things on, you can see the background as well. So you can pick basically a background you want, or you can upload one here, upload a new background if you have the pro plan. We can hide settings if you don't like that in your screen the whole time. And you can schedule broadcasts here as well. And then if we want to go live, there's a button go live here. And we can link our account. So all the ones that we want to stream on, we can link them. For example, link Twitch right now. Authorize it. And then if we click next, we can actually type a stream title in the description. And then if we click on go live, we will actually be live on Twitch. The thing what surprised me the most is how easy it is to invite people and that you can actually get multiple people in really easily. And that's especially really helpful for people that do podcasts. So I really recommend this for podcasters or if you like do a lot of conversations with people. It's all cloud-based, so if you have a PC that doesn't run things that well, if you have trouble with Streamlabs OBS or OBS because your PC can't handle it too well, I would definitely recommend going to this program, to Melon, because that is all cloud-based and your computer doesn't have to run the software itself. Sometimes OBS can also just be a little bit overwhelming, and I think this is pretty simple, and I don't think this is overwhelming at all. So if you want to start and you don't know how to start streaming and you just, you know, you think it's all like so much and you don't know what to do, I think this is a really great way to just start a podcast or just start a just chatting stream and let's go, just to go, without having to put a lot of effort and trouble into finding out how a program works. I think the last thing I want to mention is that there's actually real people behind this program that are really ambitious about it, and you can just contact them. Like here, let's click this away because I don't actually want to go live right now. We see this chat window and we can just literally actually talk with George right here. George is on this and we can just talk to George. If we have questions, we can just ask him. That's a huge thing for me. If I buy something from a company and I can't reach them, that is so frustrating. But you don't have that here because you can actually just message them. If you guys are new to streaming and you want to start out with a just chatting stream and you don't know what to say because you don't know what to say. What should I say to a camera just randomly? I've got a video about how to talk to yourself when nobody's watching. I'll see you there.